Okay, jom.
Dr. Lee, the suspects are refusing to come out or negotiate. You are cleared to move in.
Kalau kunci saya apa? Assalamualaikum. Ada pasang, okey. So ni saya push. Wih, senapang apa dia pakai tu? Sepak je lah. Mampus.
Hands on your head, now! Put your hands up! Hands up!
Doctor,
Do it now!
coroner standing by.
Suspect cuffed and secure.
Take it easy, boss.
I'll get it. Gonna pack it up.
Can't get booked for this.
Cuff him. I'll get him ready.
We're going to get
Asal aku nanti ada ni kat sini.
It's not for me.
Tak wah.
On my six.
Right with you.
Kosong. Kosong.
Police, get down! Drop the weapon now! Police, you're under arrest!
Now! Drop the weapon and get
Hands
down!
up, asshole!
We got a suspect here in need of medical attention.
Doc reporting. Medical assistance is standing by.
Tak dengar cakap Zat, memang mati lah. Kan?
I'll save it.
Cuff him. Going into cuff.
Cepat-cepat.
Suspect ready to go. Evidence good to take.
Okay, jom.
Fall in behind me.
On your six.
Let me see those hands! Put your hands up! Hands on your head!
Cepatlah. Ha.
Hands up! Hands on your head! Move! Down on your goddamn knees now!
Pusing.
Turn around. Stay here.
I'm gonna shoot you. Put it down. Put it down. Don't take this any further.
Police, drop the weapon down on your knees! Slowly! Police, get down on the ground!
You tell me
Drop the weapon and get down!
Right
Keep your hands up!
Show me the palms of your hands.
Giving up.
Put your hands up and get down.
Put your hands where I can
Get
see
down
you.
and keep your hands up! LSPD, don't move! Police, get
Cepatlah
down!
turun.
Get on the ground!
Cepatlah.
Now.
Get down! I want to see hands down on your knees!
Put yours down first. Police, hands up.
Get on the ground now! Hands up above your head! Get down on your knees!
Okay, ngam. Okay, dulu. Duduk dulu.
Turn around, keep your hands up. Put your hands up!
Yuk, korang tak ajak.
Doc here. We're ready.
Get down! Get down! I want to see hands!
Whatever you want.
Stay
Same.
down and turn around.
George, it's
Lead
George.
it up. Civilian is secured.
Element, this is Doc. Notifying trailers.
Kita pergi belakang dulu.
Arrest him.
I got it. I have to do this. Civilian restraint, Doc. City is ready.
Talk to entry team. Trailers incoming.
Hey, Jamie, how'd you ride so fast? Recess. Oh, Lord, I wanted to make sure today was extra special.
The suspect is taking hostages.
Let's play.
Someone must have made a prank. Oh, shit!
Talk to entry team.
What
The
the fuck?
suspects have taken civilians
Hands
prisoner.
up! Down on your knees! Hands up now!
Lose everything.
Hands up!
Bahaya.
You tell me, how else am I supposed to afford clothes for my kids? Food! A place to stay alive!
I'll bag it.
Alah dia jalan ni, astagfirullahaladzim.
They're down.
Talk
Cepat lah.
to lead. Continue with your mission.
Restrain him.
I got coffee.
Entry team, this is Talk.
Eh.
Mission objective failed.
La ilaha illallah. Tak tiba-tiba je. Macam mana nak? Tak lah. Aku dah main terbaik lah tadi. Aduh. Bi. Kita orang balik lah. Apa hal weh? Aduh, tak apa. Jom kita orang balik lah. Jom. Aku nanti kalau ada rezeki nanti aku nak buat vlog lah. Cuma tu lah, tak tahu nak pergi mana. Lepas tu sekarang ni tengah time exam kan. So nanti lalu. Tu apa, vlog tu kabel aku nak buat vlog yang bebas sikit lah. Biar korang tak bosan tu ke. Kali ni kita main tutup.
This is Talk. Negotiations have failed and suspects have dug in. Entry team, go when ready.
Tak ada orang, kosong. Ni pun tak ada. Okay, depan ni ada. Ni ada.
Hands on your head! Move! LSPD, don't move!
Down. Requesting test.
Talk to entry team. Clean house, and we'll take them out.
Cepatlah.
Make them secure.
Cepat.
I'll get him ready.
You gonna be okay?
Dah biar lu.
Lead.
Civilian is
secured.
Elements, this is Talk.
Move in,
We're
clear
ready
the
for
room.
them.
to go.
Move in, clear the room.
Getting into place. Moving!
Aduh. Boleh lah.
Over here. No contact.
You're in my way, sir.
In the way, Chief.
You're in my spot.
Need you to move.
Buka.
Opening on the right.
Okay, tak apa-apa.
Nothing here, sir.
I got nothing here. Can you get the lock?
I'll unlock it.
Dia setengah tu lah.
Done.
Astagfirullahaladzim.
Good to go.
Kau.
On me.
Right with you.
Buka. Tak. Tepi lah.
the weapon now! Drop the weapon and get down. Police, hands on your head! Get down now! Hands up now! Drop to your knees!
Suspect is down and in need of medical attention.
Talk to Element. Make them stable and proceed with mission.
Restrain him.
Going into cop.
Put your fucking hands up!
Get down, don't move. Down. Hands down.
Gonna pack it up.
Tu apa tak?
Gonna pack it up.
Tak ada.
Secure him.
Cuffing.
You look over
Everything. Might be some kids in here.
safe.
Suspect cuffed and secured.
Suspect isn't going anywhere.
I'll save it. Evidence secured.
I'll get it. Evidence good to go.
Put your hands up! Hands up! Do it now! Down on the ground, now! Get down on your knees!
Am I hearing shit now?
Get down! Keep your hands up! Get on the ground, now! Get down on your knees! Get on the ground, now!
Man, quit doing that creepy shit you do, man.
Move and clear.
In the way, Chief.
Put it down! Go again! You can still get out of this! Hands up! Drop the weapon! Hands up! Do it now! Police! Hands up now! Police! Drop it! Hands on your head! Now! Police! Get down!
Come on out.
Come out! Now! Hands up! Now! Hands on your head!
Take out.
I got you. Don't worry.
Police! Get your hands up!
Doc reporting. Trailer standing by.
You tell me, how else am I supposed to afford clothes for my kids, food, a place to stay alive?
I have to do this. Civilian ready to go.
Semua kena apa kena tunggu semua ni tu.
Talk here. Continue mission.
Fall in.
Right with you.
Semua dah okey.
You have to help me.
Stay
Police!
here
Get
and
down!
don't
Hands
move.
up! Above your head! Down on your goddamn knees! Now! Get down! I want to see
Take
hands!
your gun and shove it up your ass.
Moving into handcuffs.
Don't hurt me.
You're safe now.
Put your hands up!
Civilian is cuffed and good to go.
Happening to me.
Contact is down.
Tak expect weh. Sumpah sakit.
Got him.
Mana?
Suspect is right back.
But Lauren, I didn't know that would happen. We can't be.
Macam okey.
Oh, Lauren. How on earth
Aduh.
now? Oh, I know. Marty. Okay, Marty. We have things for Lauren. Marty, look at me, Marty.
Dynamic movement. Move and clear.
In the way, Chief.
Enter the room and clear.
Going in! Good here.
Need you to slide over.
Post up and provide cover.
Copy that.
Door's good.
Through the door and clear.
Doing it.
I'm going.
We should check everything. Opening on the right. Checking the dead.
Stay on me.
On you. Look under everything. Might be some kids in here.
Lock is picked.
Get the door and move in.
In position.
Move, move, move!
I got nothing here. Looks clear over here, boss.
Post up.
Affirmative. You gonna move?
Post up and cover the area.
Need you to move.
Stack up.
I'm moving into place.
You're in my way, sir.
Out the way, sir. Need you to move.
Sakit ke tu? Sakit ke? Ingat aku bodoh ke ha? Ha? Buka, cepat buka pintu.
Unlock it.
Ingat aku bodoh, ha?
Open for business.
Leave the talk. Suspect is bleeding out. Needs medical aid. Arrest him.
Talk to lead. Notifying Tim.
You're in my way, sir.
Suspect ready to go.
Enter and clear.
Copy that. You're in my spot.
Ya Allah, jalan aja cepat.
Got an opening here. Move in and clear.
Confirm.
Pie the door.
No contact.
Opening on the right.
Nothing. Good here.
Tak tulas. Tak dah lalang kan. Pergi dah jap.
Turn around. Keep your hands up.
Cops! Wait. There's a police
Elemental
around
talk.
the corner.
Civilian
Get me
cuffed
there
and
quick.
prepped for
There won't
evac.
be any problem.
This is Talk. Roger, trailers inbound.
Untuk buat apa? Ya.
Waiting on you, sir.
Move in and clear it.
This isn't the kind of future I wanted.
On my six.
I got you.
Police, down on the ground!
Ada benda. Tadi dah jauh naik atas.
On me. Move.
Got you six.
Move in. Clear the room.
Roger that. Let's go!
Mission failed. The feds are on their
Mana
way.
haram tu lah. Penat tu. Penat weh. Sumpah penat namai weh. Sumpah. Aduh, buang masa je lah. Anak. Buang masa weh. Penat lah ni. Macam ni lah guys. Kita main game pula. Jom. Aku malas nak stres sebab esok pun sekolah kan. Lepas tu aku dah macam dah ngantuk. Aku main game tu. Okay. Okay guys, aku main gini je lah guys. Game PS1 Lego. Just tu okay. Jom. Aku dah bosan. Dah lah stress. Jom kita continue. Aku dah main sikit. Main sikit kot. Aku rasa dah banyak lah. Lama tak main ni. Jom kita pergi. Jom siap. Let's go. Lama tak main. Ambil kau. Wih, bapak best siap. Lama tak main tu. Jom. Weh, pergi 24 jam. Sikit. Jadi duit lagi lah bawah ni. Nanti kalau kau nak main yang full game je, kau boleh apa? Boleh komen kat bawah. Aku boleh je tengok game yang aku tak main. Sini kot. Ni sikit. Okay. Motor. Tarik. Wow. Weh, bapak dia. Okay. Pergi. Ada minit. Tak boleh. Up. Ni atas. Allah. Apa kita ipit. Just good. Up. Okay, nak atas. Okay. La ilaha illallah. Dapat pun. Betul ke? Ni kenapa betik kan? Oh, bukan. Kau. Nak kena tiup. Tak tahu. Relax. Sorry. Okay. Ni boleh kot. Belah. Baiknya. Astaghfirullahalazim. Tak apa, hujan. Kau faham mana yang tengok video aku ni? Siapkan kerja sekolah je. Lepas tu baru boleh tengok, okay? Siapkan kerja sekolah dulu, okay? Tak siap? Habis. Okay. Siapkan kerja sekolah dulu, okay? Pas siap nak tengok hisap ke Hami ke apa sekali pun sila tengok, okay? Tak salah nak tengok. Siapkan kerja sekolah. Up. Okay, sekali. Ni itu. Mana baik. Okay. Wih bapak ni roket NASA ke apa? Roket NASA, jom kita naik roket NASA. Jom let's go. Tak sabar ni. Roket NASA. Tak apa, sebentar kita kena explore dulu. Wih, Star Wars ni. Kita cabut ni. Wih, kita dapat controller apa ni? Wih, kita dapat controller PS2. Woohoo! Wih, baik tak? Oh, boleh tekan-tekan. Wih, baik tu. Nampak? Kita pusing belakang jap. Wih, yalah, bentuk dia pelik weh. Dia macam rata dekat bahagian tempat pemegang dia. Sedap ke pegang? Aku tak tahu. So kat sini, ya boleh zoom tak? Okay, apa ni? Sony Analog Controller, Sony Computer Entertainment INC. Okay, HSPH 1010 made in Japan. Sony made in Japan Aku tak tahu. Yang aku tahu Sony ni pengasas dia daripada US lah kan. Jangan marah. Okay, aku just tahu-tahu macam tu je. Ya, jom lah. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Ada apa kat sini? Tak ada apa. Apa? Saya buk betul. Hello? Bayi. Okay. Malak main macam main Go Boss. Main apa? Bos Good. Silap. Ini lagi. Okay. Sudah ready? Sudah ready semua? Okay. Dengan nama Allah Bismillah. Tak labarnya. Relax. Ni sikit. Okay, jom. Tiga aku macam hype sikit sebab dah pun tak main bro. Ya, ni apa? Wih. Okay, satu. Oh, tinggal kena meletup. Okay. Gagah. Oh, sikit. Oh. Sekejap, bawah tu ada something. Tak. Betul jangan ikut. Ya! Sikit. Wih, berapa apa ni? Apa ni? Ni apa? Memory card. Oh, memory card. Kau tengok memory card zaman 90-an. Dia dah ni sekejap, PS2 2000-an kan. Sama satu tak canggih tengok. Tengok memory card dah 8 MB je weh. Sumpah kecil gila. Sekarang game-game sekarang lebih 10 lah saya cakap. Okay, let's go. Slow. Let's go. Woo! Jap. Apa ke atas ni? Okay. Cepat. Ini sikit. Oh. Okay, ngam. Tak, aku ambil dulu. Sekejap. Saya nak. Okay, faham. Dah pergi tak? Okay, tak je. Let's go. Kita saya habiskan map ni juga. Oh, okay. Ni saya tancap dulu, lepas tu tarik. Okay. Boleh apa ke? Ada something ni. Dia ni. Di bawah ni. Nampak lah. Ini apa ke? Ini apa? Wih, ni apa nama ya guys? Aku tengok nama dia apa. Baik lah. Jom. Tengok. Memalukan. Ini baik ni. Hit. Apa kat sini? Kenapa? Naik je. Takkan dia tak macam ni kan? Sebenarnya ni. Sekejap. Bukan guys. Bukan okay. Tak tahu. Sabar. Okay. Aku tak tahu. Ni guys, tiup. Wih. How to? Okay. Sudah. Sekejap, aku kena pergi sana. Astaghfirullahaladzim. Wih, asteroid. Wih, kita apa? Wih, dapat CD game, bye. Ya, wih, jom kita tengok detail lagi. Oh, ada biru yang belakang dia. Oh, PS3. Okay. Yeah. Cantik bawah ni. Aku rasa ada benda. Dia nak pecahkan. Something. How to? Siap pecahkan eh? Wih, boleh siap. Wih. Babi benda tu. Saya guys, mencari pula tadi. Sini nak. Ya tak apalah guys, biar je lah. Tak tahu lah. Jom lah. Abang masuk. Apa ni? Wih, dapat machine gun weh. Hehehe. Matilah kau. Mai. Tu. Woo. Mai, datang. Ba datang. Ini. Wih, bapak best. datang. Mana? Apa amai? Tempat tu. Oh. Okay. Okay, hati-hati. Tak apa. Letup. SSD ni. Apa ni? Oh. Jap. Aku Jom. Masuk sini. Wih, bapak. Air. Dia kan layak. Jom. Oh, okey, ni bayi. Cepat je. Wow. Sikit. Betul lah, tak nampak bawah tu. Tunggu. Susah. Tak kayu. Dapat. Wih, dapat apa ni? PS apa ni? Wih, PS tu lah. Wih, boleh buka. Nampak? Tu. So, stop. Wih, apa tu? Never touch the... Okay, tak boleh tengok ah. Apa bukan? Tak boleh usik. Wih, ni baik. Tengok belakang sekejap. Bapak sikit je pula. Biasa. Jom. Wih, kepala otak dia. Dia ni. Wih, dia dapat mikrofon lah. Cinta mikrofon. Oh. So kalau aku diam, dia tak bunyi. So kalau aku cakap dia bunyi. Testing mic. Wih, baik wih. Bye. Ayo. Oh. La ilaha illallah sikit. Oh. Dia buat apa ni? Kena juga lawan bos pula. Aduh, masalah betul lah. Ada satu lagi. Tak ada lah. Weh, sini nak. Eish. Baiklah. Tak banyak pula. Oh, last. Ya sikit. Okay. Yeay, habis. Fine lives juga macam jalan. Wih, baik siap. Wih, super baik. Wih. Sumpah baik siap. Subhanallah. Sumpah dia punya nostalgia. Apa? Nostalgia. Wish, baik weh. Ni dah dapat S2 weh. 2000. Saya tengok sini kipas dia kecil weh. Pelak. Betul macam tak banyak pelak lah. Oh, dia buka. Sumpah baik weh. Oh, baik weh. Apa ni? Oh, tak sepenuhnya aku dapat. So ni apa yang aku kumpul lah. Kau nak pergi kat ni dulu. Aku pergi kat PS1 dulu kan. So kat sini ada controller PS1. Ni aku sudah buka pula. Tu kat CD kan. Okay. Ni apa benda aku tak tahu lah guys. Oh, ni macam screen untuk ni Oh iyalah. Wow, ni cucuk. Okay, macam portable lah. Ni kau rasa buka boleh. Oh ni ni. Oh, okay. Tak ada, aku dah PS4. Ni PS4. Aduh, PS1 nanti dah apa, game ni dah tak keluar. Dah stop. Ya, kan dah dibu apa kan. Masa lepas ni confirm keluar PS6. Tapi tak tahu dia bila keluar. Mungkin di 2013. Mungkin. Okay, itu je lah guys video kita pada hari ni, pada malam ini. So kau suka lah dengan video aku, okay? Walaupun sedikit bosan, tak apa, aku akan cuba edit. Sampai tak bosan, okay? Jumpa korang kalau aku free, okay? Jumpa korang esok malam. Good night, see you tomorrow. Bye bye.